Xiaomi Imaging Engine is a self-developed AI architecture that serves as the algorithmic hub for our mobile imaging system. Technology such as bionic sensing, optic fusion, color engine, and an accelerating engine imbue it with unprecedented operational efficiency and scalability. Our bionic sensing technology intelligently selects optimal frames by identifying the motive behind every capture. The optimal image selected has the most potential for delivering exceptional image quality. Beyond recognizing user intentions, our AI technology can also identify the subject of the selected image and optimize the image quality accordingly. Optic fusion is a critical technology in computational photography. It further improves clarity, reduces noises, and increases dynamic range to deliver images with richer details. To capture color complexity as accurately as the human eye, our color engine has been extensively trained in 4,700 scenes and supports P3 wide color gamut. The final images show up to 25% more colors and closely replicate the color vision of human beings. All this is just for one image. The most powerful capability of our AI architecture is that it can process multiple images simultaneously to satisfy even the most prolific photographers. The accelerating engine optimizes the loading and calculation speed of our underlying algorithms and leverages parallel pipeline processing to boost camera startup and capture speed. Xiaomi Imaging Engine enables an extremely responsive photo capture experience. This is the magic behind the masterpiece.
Xiaomi.